Hi, welcome to Pathology Riddles. Today we are going to discuss about this important topic which is called as hallmarks of cancer. I request you to wait till the end so I will tell you a mnemonic on how to remember this. Otherwise it's very difficult to remember according to students' point of view. So what are the hallmarks of cancer? This is how the question will be asked in the examination. So all cancers have one thing in common, that is they exhibit certain physiological changes which are called as hallmarks of cancer. Let's find out what these changes are one by one. The first change is self-sufficiency in growth signals. What does this mean? It means that in order to grow, they do not require any signals like normal cells. So basically, there are oncogenes, they are activated, which provides the tumors with the capacity to multiply without external stimulus. This is called multiplying autonomously. The second change is altered cell metabolism. What does this mean? Normally, we get energy by oxidative phosphorylation. But how do tumors get it? By they make a switch, which is they change it to aerobic glycolysis. Now, the drawback is they may produce less ATP, but they will get this ATP much faster. And secondly, it will also increase the lactic acid production, which will make the environment acidic. This will help it to invade and metastasize faster and evade the immune system of the host. Third change is they have limitless replicative potential. Now, what do you mean by this? They acquire something like stem cell property, where they can keep on multiplying indefinitely, infinity number of times, and they do not undergo cell aging or cell senescence. Fourth change is angiogenesis, which is sustained. They keep inducing angiogenesis, so they have blood vessels to provide them with blood, oxygen, as well as nutrition for their constant fast growth. Fifth is metastasis. So they have a constant interplay with the environment or the tissue environment, which helps them to invade and go to other distant sites faster. They have this property to avoid apoptosis. They will be able to evade the programmed cell death. That means they attain immortality. They are insensitive to growth inhibitory signals. Because of their insensitivity, they can multiply rapidly and nothing can stop them. They fail the function of growth suppressors. That is, there is inactivation of the guardian of the genome or the governor of the genome, that is TP53 and RB gene. So these normally break, they apply brakes to cell proliferation. But since they are mutated, there is no brake for the cell proliferation and the tumor continues to grow rapidly. They develop the ability to evade immune response. That is, they become resistant to immune response of the host. The immune response of the host cannot deactivate them. Next, there will be surrounding inflammation constantly. So this will promote the ability of the cancer cell to accumulate genetic as well as epigenetic change. Last one is genomic instability. Now, since the DNA is very unstable, they will be able to acquire more mutations genetically and epigenetically. So the mnemonic to remember all this is, if you know Hindi, just remember the Sala may fail. So just before going for exams, you tell the other person that I'm going to fail, I'm going to fail. So if you remember SALAMAIFAIL, then you will be able to remember all these hallmarks of cancer in order. I hope you liked the video. Do comment if it was nice or it was not nice. It was easy to understand or not, so that I can make changes, so that I can make better videos in future. This is Dr. Susan signing out.